how to make money trading using ChatGPT. That just showed us some nice script. We got a green in here. We got, let's see, Ethereum, another green in here. Solana, we got a trade last week at $8.65. We are over 13 bucks now. This ChatGPT Trading Bot is insane. We're gonna go over all of those. Maybe we're gonna check some forex or SP and stocks, etc. My name is Eve, also known as Finance After 40. ChatGPT make me money online trading Bitcoin using two indicators. That's what we're doing. Is gonna give us a nice answer, and you can watch my other videos, but basically we got two indicators in here that you can install in your basically TradingView account if you don't have one. 30 days trial in the description below. But basically, let's go over to Bitcoin that just got us a green signal. Basically, we got one signal, one indicator in here, the fear and greed. We just need to adjust the setting, optimize, and of course do backtesting. And we also got the Z-score that gives us a nice pop right here when the Z-score goes -3 or +3. Every time it goes way above where it or below where it should be, we're getting a signal. So let's start. We just got the non-farm payroll. Let's go here. Bitcoin. You got all this stuff will be in the description as well. The codes. I will put the video from yesterday with all the codes. You can check it out. Copy and paste the code so you can have those too. So you can buy Solana at $8.65 and make a killing. And now, according to this 15 minutes chart on TradingView, we just got a long. But how do we get the long? So what do we have? We got a long on the Z-score, okay? When the Z-score fell below -3 standard deviation from its mean, but it also -4.5, which is insane. And then we just shot up and shot up to the moon, basically. So we got a long signal Bitcoin, let's call it around this nice bubble at 16,710, let's call it 16,700. Nice number, and we are now at 16,770. Let's call it, let's say 70 points up. That's very nice, and we are going to go up. And maybe if I would take this trade for me, first of all, I'm gonna add for the next couple of days or weeks, we're gonna add volume indicator, baseline indicator, ATR, etc, etc. But if you just add the code, this is not the code, I'm trying RSI, etc. But as I said, link will be in the description. If I'm taking this trade, and you can also do it on GMX, also 10% below. Take the trade right here. I would take the trade right here at 16,700. I might close half when it reaches the zero line at 16,833. And I might close the other half either at 16,870. But I would wait for a red signal. You see, I'm waiting for a red bubble just like this to close this trade. This was basically yesterday. Was the last time you could have taken Bitcoin. So basically the trade was here. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it and say, hey, short here, because that's not the case. Bitcoin was, let's say, worst case scenario, Bitcoin was right here, 16,800. It went up still to 16,940. So you're down, so be very cautious with leverage and all that. But eventually it went down, it went down, it went down. You close half at the zero line. It is update every 15 minutes for 168 times. That means that it takes 1.75 days to calculate, and every 15 minutes it updates. And then we got a long signal in here. Keep pushing up. This is not perfect, of course, nothing is perfect, but if you can do back testing that for the 15 minutes, for the 1 hour, for the daily chart, we now have two indicators. This is pretty wide. Let's see Ethereum going back to 1,251. Same story. We got a green line in here. The fear and greed was around 12,138, but you're not going long just yet. You wait for a green bubble. The green bubble is the z-score, which is 1241, give or take 1240. Okay, and then you take this is beautiful stuff, and already making money. Close half at 12,052 at the zero line, and once it reaches 12,055, you're not really closing the trade. You just wait for a red bubble again, just like this. And let's see if Ethereum was the same. Here's Ethereum. We got a short, and Ethereum was short. The last signal from yesterday, 12,050, went up to 12,064. I hope you didn't get wrecked with leverage too much, but eventually it went down. Close half at 1250, 1251. Wait for a buy signal or close the other half, and now we're going up. Beautiful thing. Let's see that I'm recording, which I am. We got a couple more minutes. Let's check Solana. Solana, this was the trade of the week. The trade of the week, $8.65. Let me show you something. You would be amazed. Check this out. Even better, $8.40. $8.40 you got into Solana right here. I did a nice video. Again, check my channel. If you're new, if you don't know my channel, go check the latest video from the last, I don't know, 2-3 weeks since ChatGPT started. This thing makes a killing if you just know what to do. We do need to backtest, but now we have, for me, I'm using those two trades. I'm still long BNB from 244, 45, something like that. 244, I got a trade. I'm gonna show you in a sec that I'm up 5-6%, not a lot, but I'm still in. I didn't get a sell signal. Anyway, Solana, $8.45. You caught the whole crazy move. How crazy is this? $8.45 long. It goes to $10. You don't close the trade because you didn't get a red bubble. It keeps going up, keeps going up, keeps going up. Went back to 960. Okay, but you're still up from $8.40. You didn't know it would shut up, and then it reaches like $12 and it tells you to sell at around 12. You can catch the top and the exact bottom, and if you didn't, you got another sell signal in here at $13.50. And let's see what else we got for Solana. And now it's just going down, and now Solana up down, but not really signals. They don't know what to do. But so far, this is a beautiful thing. I got in BNB, and we got another BNB at 255. I'm already long at 245, so that's a great thing for me. Let's see if you got like Shiba or something. Shiba, we got, there's no trade in here. Doge and Ape. Doge, no trade. Ape at $3.95. Also not a trade. Last trade was short at 415, and now we are at 394, 395. So this thing is freaking awesome, at least for me. Of course it can go to zero, of course it's strong, but I prefer two indicators, better than none and better than zero. I need to add volume, I need to add APR. All the links here will be in the description below. Join the email list, get in touch with me on a daily basis, and get all the wonderful websites also included in the description. I'll see you guys next time.